Hey everybody, this is requestet 505. So what we got here again is the $49 Amazon not a scam pizza oven. So we try it. Some viewer asked to see the pizza underneath, so we just did another pizza. You can see inside it's pretty beautiful. Let's pull it out and look underneath. It is cooking perfectly. Okay, wow, this is good. Let's take it in. Close the gate. Okay, and open the door, and I'm gonna show you one more thing. So as the pizza here gonna get cool down for a second, we made calzone from the same dough. We're gonna take those in and dump it while the oven is getting cooler. Right now we're just gonna put it in and we're gonna let those cook and gonna show you. So there is stuffed with spinach. It's the same dough. Okay, open it up for me. Now look very good inside. I'm just gonna put them in and then let them slowly cook, and we're gonna come and flip them in about 10-15 minutes, and then we're gonna have two calzones that's ready to eat, and they look pretty much awesome, and you're gonna see in a couple minutes how beautiful they're going to be. Okay, so let's jump on the pizza back again just to show underneath it's end up cooking just perfect. Absolutely perfect. And let's cut it. Can hear the crunchiness a little bit. Okay, let's cut it. And if you guys gonna ask nicely in the comment, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a professional pizza dough, and then I'm sure that you guys gonna keep making it for everything else, because what we did right now a pizza dough for the pizza, and we use it to make also the calzone. Now this is just semolina. It just come out, it's not stick to anything. So the pizza is beautiful. This is today a thinner New York style, and it's good to eat. And I'm gonna show you in a couple minutes, so don't go anywhere. You're gonna cook the calzone and show you how nice the calzone gonna look and how it's gonna look inside. And then again, you guys have to request a recipe, write nice comment, and I'm gonna put a recipe. Now those ovens are only $49. It was not a scam. And if you guys want, I will make how to turn it on and how to make sure it's warm. It's take about 35 minutes to 45 minutes to get into almost like 1000 degrees, but usually it's say about 690 degrees. The stone will be 690 degrees, so it's cooked pretty fast. So I cannot keep talking to you because I really want to eat it. So I will see you in a couple seconds. Don't go anywhere. You just stay there. The video gonna continue. But don't forget meanwhile to like, subscribe, and share. Donate if you want. Put a comment, and we're gonna put stuff. Now we put link below if you guys want to order it. Everything that I use over here. So you're more than welcome. I don't work for Amazon. I actually hate Amazon a lot. But I got this because it was a cool product, and I say I can make it better. I use my small fan to make it warmer. Let me eat, and I'm coming back in a fraction of a second. Just like pow! So in our house, whenever we eat a pizza, we have a little buddy here. His name is Murphy. You want pizza? Yeah? Let me know if it's tasty. You like it today? Yeah? Murphy is approving my pizza oven. It's tasty. So here is the deal. If we bring him pizza from outside, he throw it away. He's not even holding it. But my pizza is absolutely loving it. Okay, boo-boo. Let's go get the calzones. They will be tastier. Okay, so now we're gonna show you the calzone after the oven is about in a cool down cycle. We did the calzone, and let me show you how they're gonna look. They're sizzling inside. You see them? Right there. Look at those beauty. Can you hear? Shh. You hear the sizzling. Let's pull them out. Ooh-wee! Look at that. Look at those beauties. Okay, I'm gonna go inside and cut them. And they smell so good. And what we got inside is spinach, ricotta, parmesan, and it's have mozzarella, and it's have cheese from Israel that it's really tasty. Let's go. Okay, so let's take those out of the tray. And then it's got burned a little bit here, but it's not a big deal. Grab this for me. Let's move one out. Got pretty good. And then let's cut it. I'm gonna cut it to half here. And let's see what we got inside. Look at this beauty. You guys don't have a clue how good it smells. So this is the second use of the pizza oven. It was working pretty good. Now I know this is look like darker on the video, but it's not. It's actually very tasty charcoal. And we put tomatoes on the top. It's not meat, it's actually tomatoes. It's helped to keep the moisture on the top so it don't burn too much. And those was in the oven for about probably 15 to 17 minutes or so. And what we did is we let the pizza cook first. And after the pizza cook, it took about 3 minutes. We let the fire die a little bit, and then we put those, and then they slowly cook, so it's cooked all the way through. So you can see, if you look around, it's cooked, and then in the inside, everything is nice and melty. So don't forget, like, subscribe, and share, and ask for the recipes, and I will gladly show how to do that. And if you need to order those, we put the link on Amazon for everything. See you in my next video. Bye. And this is Rossi. Rossi is our other bird. The she's a house builder. Come on, pizza. Pizza. Come here, it's yours. The little dinosaur took the pizza to eat it in her own vicinity. Oh no, do take picture. Okay, we're not gonna take picture. So what you're gonna do now, she's eating her pizza inside, so nobody gonna see her. We're just sneaking in on her. Okay, you eat the pizza. Okay, let's go get our calzone.